Hello everyone. Welcome back to Road to Ownership. Let's further our knowledge in real estate. Today our title is Zero Down Journey. Using down payment assistance as a first-time buyer. Before we continue, please take a second and subscribe to this channel. It will be greatly appreciated. Buying a home can be daunting, especially for first-time buyers. One of the biggest hurdles is often saving for a down payment. But what if I told you there's a way to potentially buy a home with little to no money down? That's where down payment assistance programs come in. In this video, we'll explore the world of down payment assistance, guiding you through its intricacies and empowering you to make informed decisions on your path to home ownership. We'll cover everything from understanding eligibility criteria and program mechanics to navigating the application process and gaining valuable insights from industry experts. So, if you're ready to unlock the door to your dream home, let's dive in. Down payment assistance programs are a lifeline for aspiring homeowners who struggle to meet the upfront costs of buying a home. These programs, often offered by state and local governments or non-profit organizations, provide financial assistance in the form of grants or loans to help bridge the gap between your savings and the required down payment. They are designed to make home ownership more accessible, particularly for first-time buyers, low to moderate income families, and essential workers like teachers, firefighters, and police officers. Navigating the world of down payment assistance can seem complex, but understanding the basics is key. We'll delve into the different types of programs available and unravel the eligibility requirements, ensuring you're equipped with the knowledge to determine your best fit. When it comes to down payment assistance, the definition of a first-time buyer can be broader than you might think. While it typically includes individuals who have never owned a home before, it can also extend to those who haven't owned a home in a certain number of years, usually 3 to 5. This means that even if you've owned a home in the past but have been renting for a while, you might still qualify for assistance. Additionally, some programs consider single parents or displaced homemakers who have only owned a home with a former spouse as first-time buyers. It's important to carefully review the specific eligibility criteria for each program you're interested in to determine if you meet the definition of a first-time buyer. Down payment assistance programs come in various forms, each with its unique set of terms and conditions. One common type is a grant, which doesn't need to be repaid, providing a significant boost to your down payment funds. Another option is a forgivable loan, where the loan is gradually forgiven over a set period, usually several years, as long as you remain in the home. Deferred payment loans, on the other hand, don't require immediate repayment, offering flexibility in managing your finances. Understanding the repayment terms, interest rates, if applicable, and any potential restrictions associated with each program is crucial for making informed decisions that align with your financial goals. Section 5. Down payment assistance. By the numbers. Down payment assistance programs have proven to be instrumental in helping aspiring homeowners achieve their dreams. According to the National Association of Realtors, in 2023, over 25% of first-time home buyers utilized some form of down payment assistance. This statistic highlights the significant impact these programs have on increasing home ownership accessibility, particularly for those facing financial barriers. Moreover, studies have shown that home buyers who utilize down payment assistance are just as likely to succeed in their mortgages as those who don't, demonstrating the long-term viability and sustainability of these programs. Section 6. Navigating the housing market timeline. Understanding the historical context of the housing market can provide valuable insights for first-time buyers. For instance, the housing market crash of 2008, triggered by a surge in subprime mortgages, led to a significant decline in home values and a tightening of lending standards. However, the market has since recovered, with home values steadily increasing in recent years. Factors such as low interest rates and limited housing inventory have contributed to a competitive market, making it even more crucial for first-time buyers to explore available resources like down payment assistance. By understanding market trends and leveraging programs designed to assist them, first-time buyers can navigate the complexities of home ownership with greater confidence. Section 7. Applying for down payment assistance. A step-by-step guide. Applying for down payment assistance might seem overwhelming, but by following a structured approach, you can streamline the process. First, research and identify programs offered in your area that align with your eligibility criteria and financial situation. Next, gather all necessary documentation, including proof of income, credit history, and assets. Once you've compiled the required paperwork, submit your application to the program provider or lender and patiently await their review and decision. Remember to communicate openly with program representatives, addressing any questions or concerns they might have to ensure a smooth application process. Section 8. Expert insights and advice. Seeking guidance from industry professionals can prove invaluable throughout your home buying journey. Real estate agents specializing in first-time buyers can provide expert advice on navigating the market, negotiating offers, and understanding the intricacies of down payment assistance programs. Mortgage lenders experienced in working with down payment assistance can help you secure a mortgage that aligns with your financial capabilities and program requirements. Financial advisors can offer personalized strategies for managing your finances, ensuring a smooth transition into home ownership. Don't hesitate to tap into the expertise of these professionals, as their insights and support can be instrumental in making informed decisions every step of the way. Section 9. Conclusion. Embarking on the journey to home ownership can be both exciting and challenging, especially for first-time buyers. Down payment assistance programs serve as valuable resources, providing financial support and guidance to make the dream of owning a home a reality for countless individuals and families. By understanding the different types of programs, eligibility requirements, and application processes, you can confidently navigate the path to home ownership, turning your aspiration into a tangible achievement. One last thing, if there is a topic you would like us to cover, please add it in the comment section. Also, take a moment to share and like this video. Thank you.